menjawab, kami mengambil dua contoh, formal dan informal. Yang pertama, pengertian interview. Job interview is a formal meeting at which someone is asked questions in order to find out if they are suitable for a post employment. In the interview process, there are usually two people. The first person is the interviewer and the second person is the interview. Jadi untuk job interview atau formal conversation itu biasanya menggunakan bahasa yang formal atau bahasa yang tidak digunakan sehari-hari antara karyawan dengan bosnya, itu menggunakan bahasa formal. Untuk di job interview ini sangat dilarang menggunakan bahasa informal atau bahasa sehari-hari karena ini berhubungan dengan pekerjaan. Biasanya kalau misalkan kita interview menggunakan bahasa sehari-hari udah pasti kita nggak diterima. Oke, lanjut. Example of interview conversation yang akan dibacakan oleh Kak Ian dan Rana.
Good morning, James. My name is Dian.
Good morning. Pleasure to meet you, Dean.
Okay, so please take a seat and tell me about yourself.
Thank you. First of all, a brief introduction about myself. I'm a fresh graduate from Gajah Mada University, major in finance. I moved from Jogja with my family. I'm currently seeking a reputable company that I can work my skill and expertise while learning at the same time.
Okay, we have a job opening for a session finance. Do you think you can handle the job?
I have a finance degree and I would love to learn with your company.
Do you have any working experience?
I have an intern job when finishing my degree. I am a hard worker and willing to work harder to meet the company's working standard.
That's great. Do you mind working long hours to understand our system?
I understand what it takes to be newcomer. You need to put more effort.
Do you have any question?
What about salary and incentive?
A fresh graduate will earn about 4 million rupiah.
Okay, we will be in contact.
Okay, we will be in contact.
Thank you for your time.
Oke, itu tadi contoh dari conversation interview. Bisa kita lihat dari bahasanya, karakter dan frasanya itu biasanya menggunakan bahasa formal. Di dalam interview ini, tadi saya bilang dilarang menggunakan bahasa informal atau bahasa sehari-hari. Oke, yang kedua itu ada conversation about job, yang bagian informal yang akan dijelaskan oleh Ana. Padanya
Setelah formal, tadi ada informal lagi, yaitu informal conversation about work are usually carried out by two people. They can be carried out between colleagues or friends who are not outside the office. Informal conversation generally use common sentence that we usually use every day. Jadi kayak ini terjadi antara individu yang memiliki hubungan persahabatan atau hubungan yang akrab satu sama lain dan biasanya bersifat informal dan santai, misalnya obrolan antar teman. Dan contoh dialognya akan dibacakan oleh Farah dan Kak Ian.
Joy, what do you think about a job which you have to travel a lot? Will you accept it? You accept it?
If I get the job, there is no hesitation. I will accept in no time. I like to travel, especially around the world. Being a travel blogger will be nice too.
Really? If it was me, then I would reject it. I don't really like to mix traveling with working. You know, I want to travel around, but only for a vacation.
So, what is your dream job, Em?
I like cooking because I want to be a chef or bread maker. I dream of having my own restaurant or cake shop.
I will be your first customer. I like your cooking and your homemade cake. The last time you gave me cheesecake, it was delicious, so soft and tender.
How about you? What's your dream job?
Well, since I like to travel a lot, I might be a travel blogger or photographer, maybe a nature photographer would do.
Well, let's do our best together soon. Jadi itu tadi contohnya dari conversation informal job. Jadi bisa kita lihat di sini karakter bahasa atau frasa dari conversation informal job itu biasanya menggunakan bahasa yang lebih santai atau bahasa antar teman. Jadi dia tidak terikat bagaimana kita harus berbicara, tapi terserah kita mau berbicara seperti apa, yang penting tetap sopan. Oke, selanjutnya kita akan berbicara tentang hobi.
Oke, tadi dia jelaskan ya, conversation about formal and informal dialogue. Nah, formal dialogue tadi udah jelasin juga ya, di sini juga ada. It happens when there is a conversation between two individuals who are stranger or have no existing friendship or familiar bond. In situations that require a higher level of formality, or more structured pattern of behavior are typically observed, and the speaker follow an implicit protocol that governs the sequence and flow of the conversation, for instance in a job interview scenario. Nah, situ formal dialogue tadi udah ya. Contohnya itu dari job conversation, job interview. Udah tadi kan yang pertama. Nah, informal dialogue it takes place between individuals who have a friendly or intimate relationship and is usually informal and lacks, for instance, a chat between friends. Nah, informal ini antara dua orang nih berteman, teman ya kan. Nah, sekarang contohnya tentang hobi. Oh, tunggu, karakteristik. Characteristic of the formal dialogue. Sometimes the topic to be discussed is known in advance. Nah, jadi topik dibahas ini udah diketahui nih sebelumnya. Nah, terus yang formal ya, pertukaran mengikuti pola. Jadi yang formal ini kan mengikuti pola ya kan, di dalam situasi formal. Nah, penggunaan bahasanya ada, pemilihan katanya ada, disertai pujian. Situ there is a greater precision in the choice of word. Nah, kata-katanya itu dipilih, nggak boleh nih sebarang kayak kata kita, percakapan kita sehari-hari. Terstruktur kalau yang formal. Complementary formulas are included. Nah, di situ perhatian khusus diberikan pada penggunaan bahasa. Ada rumus-rumusnya, pujiannya disertakan. Istilah vulgar or overly colloquial terms are avoided. Jadi nggak boleh kata-kata vulgar, nggak boleh yang di formal ini. Terus it can include technical language for a specific area known to the speaker holding the conversation. Nah, pernyataan-pernyataan lebih rumit tentang dapat mencakup bahasa teknis di bidang tertentu yang diketahui oleh pembicara melalui percakapan. Terus gesture are avoided and posture is taken care of. Jadi gerakan tubuh kita, postur apa namanya tuh? Gestur kita saat kita berbicara juga ya diperhatikan di dalam formal dialogue. Nah, next, karakteristik of the informal dialogue itu dia spontan. Terus yang kedua, bahasa yang digunakan juga biasa ya, kita seperti sehari-hari. Terus topik-topiknya juga alami, tidak ada urutan, tidak ada patternnya di situ. Terus ekspresinya juga ya biasa aja lah, seperti kita bercakap sehari. Nah, contohnya, bacakan oleh Farah sama Amel.
An example of the informal dialogue. Hello, how are you?
May the grace Almighty Allah and you.
I'm also fine. Let's pray.
Sorry, I have to go home.
Why?
I have a hobby gardening and I work there in the afternoon.
Where is your garden?
In front of my reading room.
How do you pursue your hobby?
I plant the seedling and take care of them regularly. I grow flowers and vegetables in my garden. Vegetables are very useful for our health and the flowers are very beautiful. When the flowers bloom, the garden looks very beautiful. The flowers come and amuse me with their sweet skin and beauty.
I think your hobby is very interesting.
What your hobby?
My hobby is to play cricket with my friend. In the afternoon, I play with my friends, and I keep my body fit by playing cricket, and my mind remains so nice it sleeps in sound sleep.
Your hobby is also very interesting.
Oh thanks, I have to go now.
Okay, see you next time.
Nah kalau untuk hobi dia lebih ke ini ya, spontan sehari-hari. Jadi kalau yang untuk job apa tadi? Job interview itu lebih ke formal conversation.
Oke, sekian dari presentasi kami hari ini. If you any question, please raise your hand and mention your name.
Udah jelas.
Oke, kami akhiri presentasi kami hari ini. Lebih dan kurangnya kami minta maaf. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Tangan, tangan.